Hey everybody, Mr. B here. Welcome to the channel. Having a bit of a Sunday fun day today here at the loft with Pork Chop, Boaz, and Ms. Ruby. We're working on some videos, listening to some Twitch streams, some really great music. Now I'm hungry. So Sunday fun day, right? We're gonna have a few beers. I've got some wings to cook off. And so I got to looking around the pantry going, what the hell am I going to do with these wings? So, right, as you do, I started going through the cabinets, and I've got a ranch seasoning packet, some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, some stuff. So I am going to do some garlic ranch Parmesan chicken wings in the oven here. So let's get started on that. Now, the first thing you're going to do here, the first thing I'm going to do, I don't know what you're going to do, is I am going to preheat my oven. I think I'm going to run this on about a 425 because I am trying to go for some crispy, and I am going to use the convection setting, right? If you don't have a convection, don't worry about it. Got the chicken wings. You can't do wings without chicken wings, obviously. These were on sale, and quite frankly, I'm kicking myself for not getting 2 of these. Can you believe how damn expensive chicken wings are? All right, so let's set this off to the side, and let's start on our seasonings for this, okay? So 1 ranch packet. Okay. Now I am going to embellish this just a little bit with some garlic powder, some onion powder. This, again, all stuff that I just had laying around. I didn't have to go buy anything special for this. Keep a good stocked pantry, and you know, you'll typically have what you need or something you can make a substitution. Some lemon pepper seasoning. Can't get more Atlanta than that. And I'm not adding salt and pepper to this because the ranch has a lot of sodium. The lemon pepper has a lot of sodium. The Parmesan cheese is going to bring a lot of sodium. So I think we're going to be fine on that. We are going to mix this up. And to a bowl, I'm going to add my chicken. Now I have patted this dry, as you're going to want to do. And we are going to put the dry seasoning on this chicken. And then I'm just going to toss to make sure that all of these wings are coated in that ranch and the dry seasoning mix. Who knows? This may taste like crap, but I've never met a chicken wing that I didn't like, you know, if I'm being honest with you. Just kind of a plain flash fried chicken wing without any breading on it is fine with me. Throw these things on the grill. That would be a great idea. Okay. I'm going to do just a drizzle of olive oil on this. This will help, hopefully help with some browning, and it will certainly help kind of coat and spread out this, this dry seasoning just a little bit. Okay. Now I have lined a sheet tray and I put a rack on it because I'm hoping that will help with the crispiness. And I'm just going to line out the wings on here, skin side up, bone side down, giving everything a little bit of room to breathe here, guys. All right, if we've got any of this little seasoning left on here, let's just get it on. Now, the garlic and the Parmesan, we're going to do something with that in just a little bit. So we will wait for the oven to heat up. We're going to put these in 425, internal temperature of about 165. No, let me rephrase that. No about it. you want to get these to 165 degrees. I'm thinking at 425, that might be a 20, maybe 30-minute scenario, but it's not going to take these long. Okay, guys, here we go. We're at our internal temperature, and I took the liberty of finishing these off under the broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes. Don't go far. I wanted to get some crisp up on the skin. Let's get you over to stove cam, and let me show you the sauce we're gonna make. In a non-stick skillet, I am heating up 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, about half a stick of butter. We're gonna let this get good and frothy. Our butter and oil is going. In goes about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, minced. We're just gonna let that infuse for about 1 minute into this butter and oil mixture. Careful not to let it burn. Right, I'm gonna kill the heat on that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning. Because why would you not do that? I've cut my heat, and I'm gonna push this off the heat here, and we're gonna put this together, guys. Gonna take our chicken and put it into a bowl. And let's take our garlic butter for that. Let's get some of this garlic down in it now. Just drizzle some of this over there. Put that garlic on it. Put that garlic on it. And then let's give it all a toss. Add the rest of that on up in there. I'm not going anywhere today. Hell. Last but not least, we are going to top this about a 1/4 cup of some good Parmesan cheese. It's going to soak up all that deliciousness. Make sure everything's coated on this. And I'm ready to give this a taste. I'm not going to be shy about it. It's Sunday fun day. It's wings. There's no real way to do this gracefully. A bit of ranch dressing on that. Guys, that is so good. Lemon pepper coming through, garlic coming through, Parmesan. Yes, indeed. You know, for waking up this morning without any intent of filming, really cooking anything today, bang this out. Okay, kids. All right, guys, there you have it. Garlic ranch Parmesan wings. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like and subscribe. Come along for the ride. We'll see you next time. I'm tearing into this, guys. Cheers.